Welcome to another fitness video. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and in this video, I'm going to be going over a simple, easy sitting exercise. So you don't have to have any gym equipment like you see behind me. You can simply be sitting in a sturdy chair, preferably a chair that does not have wheels. And if it doesn't have armrests, that may enable you to have a little bit more freer motion when it comes to doing arm or leg exercises. But here is our simple sitting exercise. Okay, so step one, we're simply going to be marching. So as we march, if you're getting tired, you can stop that number of repetition. But generally, I'm a round number person. I like to go to about 10 repetitions. So once we go to 10 repetitions, now we're going to go into 10 kicks. And we're going to do our 10 kicks. And if you want to, you can mix in other exercises. You can really have fun with this routine and mix it up. So you could kick and punch. You could kick and punch up. You can get as wild and crazy as you want to. But sitting kicks and marches are wonderful exercises for you to do. Now, in terms of arms, here's our simple arm exercises that can go with or after our leg exercises. So the first, we're just going to punch up to the sky. Now remember from our other videos, we can use body weight, just like this. We could use bands. We could use cans of soup to give us about 1 pound of resistance. Or if you do have weights, you can use weights. Now, same thing here in terms of how much should you do. It's up to you. I don't know how strong you are, so it all varies. Stop if you have pain and try to go to muscle fatigue. Okay, now we're going into our bicep curls. Same thing, we'll go 10 repetitions. Good, then we go punches. And if you want to get creative, you can punch and rotate. You can really mix and match what you want to do. We're going to go out. This exercise is really great because we spend all day typing with our shoulders hunched. So this exercise really helps us open up our shoulders. Now remember, when you're doing any of these, slow and controlled, and then to muscle fatigue, no pain. And then our triceps. So you can do one exercise at a time and take a rest, or you can do what's called a circuit, where you do all of these exercises or a number of them together at once. It's up to you. It depends on your fitness ability, your strength, your endurance, and how fatigued you're getting. If you feel fatigued, go ahead and stop. If you're not fatigued, then add another exercise. There you go. That's it for our simple and easy chair exercise. Thank you.